So a little message to say, and this is how we create our life and our relationships and the fun and happiness in our life, or the opposite, is when someone else in my life has been in a much more negative mood or a very negative mood, and I've been in a poor mood, a negative mood myself, then I resist and we create a big blow up together, okay? A negative, not fun, not happy experience, okay? But alternatively, if someone else is in a very negative mood, or a very pessimistic or negative or down mood, and they're talking and they're encouraging me to get entangled, whether or not they're trying or not, they're not even really trying. But if I'm in a pure positive mood, if I'm feeling very good, very positive, very healthy, very well, very vibrant, fun-loving, optimistic, adventurous, explorative, happy, joyous, joyful, appreciative, grateful, optimistic, excited, happy, all these beautiful feelings and words and energies. If I'm in that energy can overpower the negative energy for sure. But if I'm in a low energy, then I get lost in and entangled with and in a big blow up of the two negative energies. So really, it's not about what happens so much on the outside, but it's about how we perceive and respond. It really is, my friends. This has happened to me so many times over and over, forevermore. And it happens to you and me all the time. This is how it works. So rather than what I want to do now, and I suggest to you, rather than blaming and pointing the finger to the person, look at yourself and see how you can respond. Get ready, get happy, get well, look after yourself, take responsibility, choose the energy that you want, choose the emotional state, choose the interactions in life of happiness, joy, fun, engagement, pleasantness, friendliness, compassion, kindness, happiness, joy, playfulness, funness, fun-loving, all these good positive quality engagements and emotional states. Choose these to have with other people, but it has to come from you, because you're never going to get a down person to be really happy by you being downer on their downness. You're never going to get happy by being down. So I do encourage you to feel your feelings, not to bypass your feelings. Feel your feelings, but then change your mental state and tune into your heart to change your emotional state too, and get more positive and vibrant and positive. Know you can have these energies. If you have trouble trying to do this, think about something that was very happy and positive for you in the past. Think of your happiest moments of the year, your happiest, most fun, playful, mischievous, happy, loving, compassionate, forgiving, kind moments, your happiest moments ever in your entire life, this year, last year, any year. And remember, you can tune into this feeling and get this back up again whenever, more or less whenever you want, any day you want, any half an hour period you want. Just tune in, think in, imagine in, remember in, and you be the director and the one in control of your own life, your own emotions and your own responses. So stop giving your power away to other people and situations and start thinking very positively and optimistically and happily, and share the love, happiness and joy and the smiles, my friends, and the compliments, the praising other people, focusing on gratitude, appreciating. And this is truly works, much as sharing something I read. This works, I've done this. Abraham reminded me, and I remember making even videos about this in the past, but yeah, not many, but I hope this video helps, and lots of love. Have a beautiful day, and remember, you are the creator of your own life, and create the life that you wish, and interactions and engagements. Good times. Lots of love. Thanks for watching.